The Supreme Court has dismissed the interim bail plea of the former Congress leader Sajjan Kumar, who is serving life imprisonment in 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Rejecting his plea, the top court said that his appeal against the conviction in the case may be taken up for hearing after the court starts its physical hearing. Sorry, we are not inclined. Dismiss, a bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde said.
The Supreme Court has refused to grant bail to ex-Congress leader Sajjan Kumar in a 1984 anti-Sikh riot case. A bench of Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and V. Subramaniam stated that his appeal against conviction will be heard once top court start physical hearing. Bench also refused his hospitalization, stating that medical reports suggest that he doesn't require any. Senior advocate Vikas Singh appeared for Kumar and asked the bench to consider the bail plea on merits as the High Court's judgment was faulty. The witness deposition was completely reversed in the High Court and Trial Court, said Singh. However, the CJI-led bench refused to grant bail to him, adding that neither does that justify a faulty judgment and nor does his health require hospitalization. CJI Bobde said that this was not a small case and that bail will not be considered at all at this stage. Singh urged the court to grant bail to the accused on account of ailing health and spiraling weight loss, but senior advocate H.S. Fulka opposed this by submitting that Kumar was being well taken care of. The top court has been consistently denying bail to Kumar. On 13th May, it refused to grant interim bail to the ex-Congress MP, stating that there was no ground for hospitalization reflected in the medical report submitted by AIIMS board warranting bail. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had then argued that the case was in fact of genocide and that Kumar was leading a mob. On 4th March, the top court has directed Sajjan Kumar to appear before an AIIMS board to determine whether his medical condition warranted institutionalization. The board was directed to submit its report in a week. The former Congress MP had moved a bail application before the apex court on health ground and his counsel, senior advocate Vikas Singh, had asked the court to hear it on an urgent basis. Singh informed the court that Kumar had lost 7 kgs and was dealing with a life-threatening disease due to which he must get interim bail to be admitted to hospital for immediate medical attention. On 14 January, Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi had issued notice on Congress leader Sajjan Kumar's plea against his conviction and sentence in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Bureau Report.